This is what 26,200 will get you in Nairobi, South B area. Welcome to this one-bedroom apartment located in South B, opposite Sana Sana area. And once you step inside this apartment, it's quite spacious. This one I will agree, this one is quite spacious because you'll place your TV over here. I don't see the socket. Oh, so it means your TV will be over here. Since your sockets are over here, so it means there's Ethernet over here, and your couch will be over here, here, and here. And let's not forget to talk about the windows. The windows are quite spacious, quite big. Sorry about that word, it's not spacious, it's quite big, and this means tons of natural lighting will be brought inside your house, and you can open, so oxygen, free oxygen will be entering your apartment. The paint, have we talked about the paint? No. This paint, I don't know the color of this paint. Ian, you can just help me. Me, I'll say this is brown or brown maybe, or beige. I only know those two colors when I see this. I don't know about color. Over here is where you'll place your rails, curtain rails, and I don't know the function of this.
This one is for
the viewers. Tell us the function. Why would they put this over here and next?
Put your picture here.
Oh, by the way, yeah. I wasn't thinking about that. So you can just place your pictures over here. Most people just place the photos that they graduated. I think that's the time where they just took their photos. It's the important time of their life. Now, the bulb, it will be fixed. The house is still under maintenance, so the bulb holder will be placed over there. And the tiles, we have to talk about the tiles. This means you can't be dirty in this apartment. Or what do you think about it, Ian? Or get yourself a carpet. This door, it's quite thick. This door is quite thick, so don't worry. Or if, ladies, if you're worried about someone getting into your apartment, use that. How's this thing called in English? Come and show them. How's this? Ikonji.
a door handle.
Okay, if that's a door handle, what's this? This is where I assume you'll be putting on your lights over there. We'll find out soon.